Alright guys, back here again. Figured today I'd show you guys this cool little celebration roll. It's a horse brand. It is a Class C item. It's a 5,000 towel, so approximately 1,387 firecrackers. And when we open it up, there's what we got. So they're all crimped, red celebration crackers with a head bomb. This roll is pretty cool. It has the original cellophane. It also has a brick wrap to secure and hold it in place. So it's kind of cool. Most of them have like a little cardboard outside runner around it, or like some kind of craft paper, maybe some brown paper, heavier paper that they would use. So that's kind of cool and unusual. I don't know if I've ever seen another one like this. So I figured it'd be kind of cool to show you guys some old cool vintage horse brand. I'm a big horse brand person. I love just about anything horse brand. If you ask me, they were the A team and Tiger head brand was the B team. But I hope you guys enjoy and I hope everyone's doing well.